That's what we're doing today. We're gonna take these tall, skinny trees out. Guy had a little garage there, caught on fire, and torched all his trees. I missed them pulling that one down, but we got one down here. I'll get them pulling the other one once we notch it and cut it. We got this one notched up. Gonna tie around this one, get it pulled down. Get her to the truck. Yank her down. Right. Got the truck. John's gonna trim it down a little more. All right, try. Go forward. Yep. Good. I'm up here in this damn tree. Guess we're gonna hook the rope to it. And we're gonna see if I can notch this thing and go ahead and get it pulled down. We would have got the other two already cut. But I wanted to get this one out of the way first. Nice. Ain't that bitch. Almost done. Back at this tree job, getting the stumps out, but looks a lot better.